Hello friends, welcome yet again to my channel. I'm Victoria A. I'm a local real estate agent here in the area. So I am visiting a community here built by Chelsea Building Group. It's one of Charlotte's first modern home communities. So the property behind me here, you see, they're actually two homes, they're duplexes. And so the one we're about to go visit right now is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's a 2-story home, completely open concept. And let's see, what else is interesting to say about it? Well, I guess it's just a beautiful home, so come along with me, let's tour it together. Okay, so when we walk in here, we walk straight into this little hallway area, transition area. And then if we were to go to our right, this is where the half bathroom is. So I said that this home has 2.5 bathrooms. And then here is just kind of like a storage area. And this would be, I guess this is kind of like the mud room. And then we walk straight into the kitchen area. And so this home here, everything completely white, completely like golden, crisp, and just wooden. I love it. I love the choice of lighter hardwood throughout the home here. I like how open this home is. And I like the fact that the island here doesn't isolate you from what's going on, you know, in the living space area and also in this dining space area. This is one of Charlotte's first modern home community. And what I mean by modern home is the big windows, the Scandinavian kind of look. So this is one of the first. And so here in the kitchen, I love the choice of gold accents everywhere. Like, check out this. The kitchen cabinets here are completely like wooden with gold handles. And then the gas burner here. That's pretty interesting and pretty cool actually. And then this, your microwave, your oven, so that's pretty neat. I was wondering, do you guys think eventually homes will be built in the future with air fryers, with like built-in air fryers? Because you know, microwaves weren't a thing in every home before, so I don't know, maybe I'm reaching, who knows? But let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you think so? And then another thing I love about Chelsea Building Group are the storage spaces. This here is a huge storage or pantry area. So that's pretty neat. I know for a girl like myself, I love all the space I can get. All right, so let's go on upstairs and check out the bedrooms upstairs. So we're gonna start with the other 2 bedrooms and saving the owner suite for last. So immediately you come up here. It's kind of like a little hallway, but we're gonna go to our right, which is the first bedroom we're gonna check out. And pardon guys, it's a bit dark in here because some of the lights aren't working. So it's a bit dark, but this is it. I love it's pretty cute, it's quaint. This looks like a full-size bed actually, but I'm pretty sure you can fit a queen in here if you so desired. I'm not sure about a king. A king would be probably too tight in here. And then we go into this bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill style bathroom. I love the floors, getting to the tiles. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then the double vanity sinks here. And then the white concept is just great. I love white, all white, everything. It just feels so clean, and it just feels like, there's light, you know? And then we go into kind of like this private bathtub and toilet area here. And this is the other bedroom here. This one is not furnished, but gives you the opportunity to use your imagination, you know? It's what you paid all that money to go to school for, right? To use your imagination. All right, and then we have the closet space here, which is it's a very nice size closet if you ask me. Cool. And then we're gonna head out here. And this laundry room to me is huge. Of all the space that could have been used in this house, I don't know why most of it was used in the laundry space, but listen, I love it. If you have pets, this would be the perfect place to keep them because you have the sink here and everything here. So that's pretty cool in my opinion. All right, so let's go check out my favorite room here, which is the owner suite. Dun, dun, dun. So you walk in here. One of my favorite things here is the tall ceilings. I adore tall ceilings. And guys, look at how tall those windows are. Do you know how much light that is? You know, obviously I don't want that first thing in the morning. I would probably put in some blinds and then open it. But throughout the day, do you know how much light could get in here? A lot, if you ask me, a lot. But this room, however, it could more than likely, not more than likely, it could definitely hold a king size bed in here. So that's pretty cool. And then we're gonna transition over here to the walk-in closet. Imagine if you put some more racks here for your shoes, ladies. You know what I'm talking about. For your jewelry, you can probably do something here. You can get creative, you know, in this space, which is lovely. It's amazing. I love it. So this bathroom is probably my favorite bathroom. One of my favorite bathrooms I have seen in a home, and you will see why in a second. How gorgeous is this? Doesn't it just like give you an idea of kind of what heaven would look like? But it's so cute. I love whoever designed this did a great job because that was one of the first things my eyes gravitated to. I love gold. I actually love the mixture of gold and silver. I typically wear that a lot. It's very classy. It's very regal to me. And then the double vanity sinks, which gives it a little bit more of a unique space. And then let's get into the shower. Ooh, my Lord, look at this. I love the tiling in here. I don't want to turn that on. I'm not even gonna mess with that in case I pour water on myself. But yeah, I love it. I would probably, if it was up to me, I would put more shower heads, like maybe coming out of the wall. So you know, like you get sprayed from like all angles. But I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. I don't know. And then you have your private toilet area here. So yeah, so basically that's it, guys. So as I mentioned, this home here is built by Chelsea Building Group. It is located literally just a few minutes from Uptown Charlotte. This one here has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a 2-car garage, and it starts approximately at $485,000. So if you're interested, you love this home, I want you to go ahead and give me a call. You can send me an email. You can find my email actually in the description bar, the description section below, but I will share it to you anyway. Victoria B. Ayo at CostelloREI.com. You can find me, follow me on my social medias. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Victoria B. Ayo. And frankly, guys, you just don't want to miss out on following me because why not? I give great tips everywhere. It's YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. If you're looking for somebody with a great personality, why not? Why not follow me and follow me all across all my platforms. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you can't lose with Ayo.